Hi, I'm Varun here. I'm here to explain my sixth experiment of Case Tools Lab. Here we have the activity diagram of the of employee requesting a leave and an employee requesting the employee getting in work from HR. So this activity graph shows different active action states, which are employee, team leader, project leader, admin, HR, and each has an sub-activity state, which is which are the which will be connected using transition. HR, this is the initial state, and this is the final state. Here the HR assign the work for project leader, and the project leader gives the project to the team leader. The team leader assigns the work to the employees, and employee acquires the nature of work. Then the employee completes the work and updates it to the team leader, and then team leader gives the result to the project leader. Then the project leader give that to the admin. Then the payroll will be allotted, normal hours and extra hours. Required salary will be given, and for extra hours he'll get salary plus bonus. Then generate for each here the admin has to generate salary for each employees, like HR, project leader, team leader, and employee. So after generating, he provides food and transport facilities for a project leader, team leader, and employees, and they receive the sources, and the employee utilizes the source and then applies for leave, and whether it was and it was made into multiple transition using synchronization and um, into synchronization. Then synchronization, and it was divided into two action states, medical, two sub-activity state as medical and personal, and then it will be again joined using another synchronization, and then the employee requests for leave, asks for higher authority, and then requests the leave for team leader, and the team leader asks the higher authority. The project leader asks for the details and the team leader gives the details, and then the project leader approves it, whether he gives leave for him or not. And then the decision will be carried on to the team leader, and then to the employee receives whether approved, and then compliance and things requirements will be sorted out by employee to project leader. The project leader gives the complaint to the HR rectifies or asks for feedback. The admin has to get feedback from employee, team leader, and project leader, and all the feedbacks are synchronized using another synchronization, and then rectifies the negative feedback, then goes to the final stage. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.